आज बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है। इब्बा तो मन खुद ने विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि 3-4 दिन तो मन ने भी समझ में लगे भाई तेने मेडल जीत लिया आखिर में ओलंपिक में। ये चल रहा था मतलब वो प्रेशर भी था भाई। हाँ एक लब मेरे मन में तो नहीं, 2-3 और होती तो ठीक से, मतलब एक लिए भाई अब तो मेडल लेके आना है बस।
CNN News 18's Yash Goyal is joining us on the broadcast early this morning. Yash, a very, very good morning to you. Tell us about the celebrations that broke out here in India yesterday and, of course, all the inputs that you were picking up last night.
Well, Sakshi, is a matter of great pride that India has won another medal, and that too in the men's wrestling. This is a bronze which Aman Sherawat has actually clinched for India. In fact, it seems like a tradition that India wins big in the wrestling game, be it at Olympics, be it at the Asian Games. In fact, if you look at the match, this bronze medal is in the freestyle category, 57 kgs category. In fact, Aman Sherawat has actually defeated Darian Toy Cruz of Puerto Rico. In fact, the match itself was one of those nail biters. We saw how Aman had taken, he was not taking any chances when it comes to this matches. Celebrations like always broke out in different parts of the country. In fact, Aman is one such player at whom we were looking at from the beginning, because he's just 21 years old, and in fact getting a medal at such a early age only tells one thing, that the class of the athlete. In fact, the kind of background he had at the age of 11, he got orphaned, and then in just 10 years going through all that and getting this medal for the country is a very big achievement and a very a big feat. In fact, when we talk about the match, he was very much ahead of the Puerto Rican wrestler. In fact, the taken down, one after another takedown, in fact, which lead to this very win by 13-5. In fact, now Aman has joined the elite club of the men's Olympic wrestlers, including two-time medalist Sushil Kumar, in fact, also Yogeshwar Dutt, Tokyo Olympics Ravi Dahiya, and also bronze medalist Bajrang Punia. So this is absolutely one of those banger medals which he has able to clinch for the country. Everyone is super proud of him looking at the feat, because at the age of 21, this is an extraordinary gameplay which Aman Sherawat has actually portrayed.
In fact, Yash, what's even more important is that he is the only male wrestler from our country to qualify for the Olympics this time.
Yes, absolutely, Sakshi, and that is why I said that it's like in tradition. Look, every year when we look at the contingent of the Indian wrestlers, there are usually 3 to 4 wrestlers, and this time around, like you rightly mentioned, it was just Aman who actually qualified for this very game. In fact, in the past rounds also, we had seen how greatly he has performed in different games. In fact, he was up against he was up against many seasoned wrestlers in his weight category, and now this win is in fact taking on the tradition which have been set by Indian wrestlers, first by Sushil Kumar, then by Yogeshwar Dutt, and then by Ravi Dahiya, followed by Bajrang Punia. Now history has one name in its kitty in the name of Aman Sherawat.
Right, Yash. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. A moment to feel proud about our contingent there at Paris Olympics 2024 this time around. The tally has now reached 6 medals with 5 bronze in our bag at this point of time. Couple of reactions also coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at all of those.
जो हमारा देश इंतजार कर रहा था कि पिछले 4 ओलंपिक से कुश्ती में लगातार मेडल आ रहे थे, 5वां ओलंपिक भी खाली नहीं गया। मैं पूरे भारत देश की 140 करोड़ जनता की तरफ से सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई और सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। अमन शेरावत की परफॉर्मेंस मैं शुरू से ही कहता था कि यह थकता नहीं है और अभी यंग एज का है। इससे तो हम लोगों को और ज्यादा मेडल की उम्मीद थी, दुर्भाग्य समझ लिए नहीं आया, लेकिन यह हमारा उभरता हुआ सितारा है और ये आगे तक जाएगा और ओलंपिक में ये गोल्ड भी ले, अगले ओलंपिक तक ये गोल्ड भी ले, क्योंकि अभी बहुत कम उम्र का है ये।
अमन हमारी उम्मीदों पे, देश की उम्मीदों पे खरा उतरा है और बहुत खुशी की बात है। कल जब शाम को कुश्ती खत्म हुई है, उस टाइम करीबन 4.5 किलो वजन ज़्यादा था अमन का, 61.5 किलो वजन था। तो उस टाइम क्या हुआ, 1.5 घंटा तो इसने सेमीफाइनल ख़त्म होते ही एक ट्रेनिंग का सेशन हमने यहीं ले लिया था।